Desigo CC is an integrated management station that delivers centralized heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, lighting, shading, power, fire safety, and security. The management station provides a very powerful and efficient way to monitor and control your facilities and ensures maximum protection for people and infrastructure. Desigo CC gives you an intuitive user interface to coordinate all your building management, fire safety, and security systems from one central platform. Desigo CC can be adapted to your environment and your users to match the way you want to run your facility. Let's take a short tour of the user interface. Choose the part of the building you need to monitor or control by using its intuitive design and simple navigation. Once the selection is made, its representation is displayed in the primary pane, where it's easier to work with. Next, drill down to get some detailed information. Check performance or make any system changes you need. It's clear, highly graphical, and easy to work with. The system also provides a list of items that are related to the part of the building you're looking at. By selecting the related items, you can view even more details about the area you are working with side by side with the initial representation. The summary bar at the top of the screen provides an overview of the system status with indicators for each type of event monitored by the system. The summary bar is the launching point for managing events as they occur in the facility. Under the summary bar, the main part of the user interface is the System Manager, which is used to navigate, monitor, and control the facility. From the System Manager, you can monitor the current system status, get reports, and change settings, and all in real time. One or more instances of the System Manager can be opened at any time. And you can resize or move each one around, even across separate monitors for the arrangement that matches your preferred workflow. Key Desigo CC features include simple navigation through tree views or graphics, drag-and-drop graphics creation, scalable vector graphics, live IP camera support, and powerful event management. In case of an emergency, the operator is informed immediately and guided through the next steps to manage the critical situation. Multiple client options are available for dedicated, browser-based, and Windows desktop app clients with the same user interface. Time-shifted trend graphs for quick date comparison. Powerful graphics with AutoCAD integration and endless display options. Customizable reports, including plant graphics and trend charts, and built-in email for remote notification. Desigo CC even anticipates your next step with automatically defined related items. Desigo CC is UL listed to Fire Safety Standard UL 864, and the system supports leading open standards including BACnet, OPC, ONVIF, and SNMP. Join the thousands of users and building occupants who rely on Desigo CC to monitor and control their facilities and to ensure maximum protection for their people and infrastructure. For more information, contact your closest Siemens branch or partner company or visit siemens.com/DesigoCC. Thank you.